In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the canvas size of your document in Photoshop. Whether you're expanding your workspace for more creative freedom or resizing it to suit specific project requirements, learning how to change the dimensions of your canvas is an essential skill in digital design. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to have your document open in Photoshop. This is your starting point where all the magic happens. Once you have your project in front of you, navigate your way to the top of the screen and locate the Image menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, click on Canvas Size. This will open up the all-important Canvas Size dialog box, where you'll make the necessary changes to your document dimensions. Within this dialog box, you're given the option to enter your new width and height values. This is where you decide exactly how large or small you want your canvas to become. You might need to accommodate a larger project by expanding your canvas, or perhaps need a tighter fit by reducing its size. Accompanying these dimensions, you'll find a drop-down menu to select the units of measurement. Choose from options like pixels or inches, whichever fits your workflow best. Understanding and utilizing these measurements effectively will allow for greater precision in your project outcomes. There's also a really nifty feature here, if you check the relative box. This allows you to add to or subtract from the current size of your canvas rather than specifying an entirely new set of dimensions. It's a flexible and time-saving option when your adjustments are minor and relative to the existing size of the project. Now, before confirming your changes, take a look at the anchor grid. This set of boxes determines where existing content stays in relation to the new size. For instance, if you select the center box, any additional canvas space will expand around your image equally on all sides. Conversely, if you select one of the side boxes, the opposite side will be where the new canvas space appears. This is particularly useful for directing where your new content will appear in relation to what's already on your canvas. Another consideration is the canvas extension color. If your background isn't transparent, you'll need to pick a color for any new space you're adding to your canvas. You can choose from default options like foreground, background, white, black, gray, or even opt for a custom color if it better suits your project. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, click OK. Your canvas will resize accordingly. If you increased your dimensions, you'll see new blank space appear, ready for additional artwork. Conversely, if you decreased it, be aware that some of your original content might get cropped, unless ample room was left for such changes. And there you have it. With these steps, you can confidently adjust the canvas size of your Photoshop document, giving you the flexibility to adapt to any project's needs. Keep practicing, and soon enough, resizing your canvas will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!